Welcome to Chef Food channel. Guys, how are you? In today's video I'm gonna show you dining table designs, latest and modern style dining table designing ideas. So you can see a lot of videos, a lot of pictures regarding dining table designing ideas. If you are making a new home or making your dining table renovate, then this video is for you people. So firstly, if you're new on our channel Chef Food, kindly subscribe to us and also hit the bell icon so that every video notification come first to you related to your kitchen, related to the recipes and all the stuff related to your food. So guys, as you can see, a lot of tables are showing in this video. Metallic, wooden and plastic and all type of tables are shown. Bench style tables are also shown. You can place your dining table in your kitchen, you can place it in your dining area, you can also place it in your drawing room. So small and large, all type of tables are shown along with bench items. So I hope so you guys like this video and enjoying the pictures, enjoying the dining table designs that are unique and modern and also hit in these days 2021. Beautiful decor ideas are also shown, how to decorate your dining table and how to organize your dining table, how to settle it in the right place. These type of ideas are shown or tried to describe in this video. So I hope this video is helpful for you people. If you think it good, or what you can see, if it is the one that you are watching for, waiting for, then give me a thumbs up after this video and also hit the bell icon and also give me your feedback. How was the video and what should be our next video topic? What are the next modern designs you want to know about your kitchen, about your dining, about your shelves, about your crockery and all the stuff that includes in kitchen. So you can also watch our vlogs that we are going to start recently. So we are also going to start vlogging. You can watch our dressing table video, you can also watch our kitchen organizing video, and you can also give us ideas how to organize my kitchen more perfectly. Hoping that you guys find it helpful. So guys, this is a video that contains more than 60 plus designing ideas about dining table, about decor related to the dining table and how to organize your dining table, where it is to be placed in the kitchen or in the dining room or in the lobby or in the dressing. So I hope so you guys like this video. Stay tuned to our channel Chef Food for more videos related to your kitchen decor and modern organizing ideas. So you will like this video and stay tuned to our channel. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।